Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print all emails from one person in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once everything has loaded, you'll be working primarily in your inbox pane where all your emails and folders are displayed. Now, to print all emails from one person, we first need to organize these emails into a dedicated folder. This makes the printing process much smoother and ensures you're only printing what you need. Navigate to the Folder tab located at the top part of your screen and click on it. Once the folder menu opens, click on the New Folder option positioned at the top left. A folder creation window will appear where you can enter a name for this folder. For example, you might type something like "From Microsoft" or any name that helps you identify the sender. Once you've created the folder, we're ready to move on to the next step. Now we need to gather all the emails from the specific person you want to print. Click on the Sort button on your inbox header. This will reveal various sorting options that help you organize your emails. From the list of options that appears, click on From. This sorting method arranges all the emails in your inbox based on the sender, making it incredibly easy to locate and select all messages from the person you're interested in. Once your emails are sorted, locate all the emails from the specific sender you wish to print. For this tutorial, we'll use Microsoft 365 as a sample sender. Select all the emails from this sender by clicking on the first one, then holding down Shift and clicking on the last one to highlight them all. After selecting all the emails, right-click on any of the highlighted messages. A context menu will appear with several options. Hover your cursor over the Move option, and the menu will expand to show your available folders. From this expanded menu, select the folder we just created earlier. This moves all those emails into one convenient location. Next, click on the folder containing all the emails from your chosen sender. Once the folder opens, select all the emails inside by pressing Ctrl and A, or by clicking on the first email and shift-clicking on the last one. With all emails selected, click on the File tab at the top of your screen. From the File menu, you'll see the Print option. Click on it to open the Print Settings window. Under the print settings, you'll notice two different print styles available. Click on Table Style, and you'll see all the emails listed in a clean, organized format that's perfect for printing. This style displays all the email details in a structured table layout, making it easy to review printed copies later. You can now proceed to print all of these emails from a single sender by clicking the Print button. And there you have it. You've successfully organized and printed all emails from one person in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.